get started. As you can see, we have a kind of different cake today. It's got a round top. So cool. Get our frosting. Me, frosting. Remember, hit that subscribe button while you're watching. Give us a huge thumbs up. Tell us in the comments what your favorite movie is the Minions were in. This is gonna be so cool! Aren't you guys so excited to see how this one turns out? It's gonna be so much fun! Frosting! Creamy frosting! So excited! This is gonna be so cool! Spread in your frosting! You guys ready for a trivia question? In the movie with the Minions, do you remember what the name of the supervillain was that wears the red dress? The lady villain. Stay to the end to find out. Or if you know, drop it in the comments. See if you're right at the end. Alright, minions have to have little hands. Make those little tiny hands. Aren't the minions so cute and funny? They're always saying banana. Banana. Do you like bananas? Bananas are yummy. Lots of tiny pieces. Put in those awesome details. You know how they like to wear their overalls. Do you have any overalls at home? And do you like to wear your overalls? So cool! This turned out so awesome! Super exciting! Be super careful if you're going to use a sharp knife. You don't want to cut yourself! Be super careful! Use the cookie cutter! Oh, this is going to be so cool! One eyeball! Did you know we were making eyeballs? That'd be so awesome! Get your paint, use your paint, but don't stick your fingers in wet paint. Otherwise you'll get paint everywhere. Do you like painting at home? Painting is so much fun. Aww. Alright, roll out that dough. Do you know what this is gonna be? Did you say cake blanket? I think you're right. Cake blanket. Smooth it in careful. Super careful. Smooth out all the ruffly edges. Wow. Get your cake iron. And remember, while you're watching, hit that subscribe button. Give us a huge thumbs up. Leave us a comment. Tell us if you like the color yellow. Isn't yellow such a happy color? So happy. Tear away your extras. Alright, time to roll out our blue color. Roll it. Just like you're rolling out cookies. cookie dough. Do you like baking sugar cookies? With nummy, nummy cookie dough. Then you can cut them into shapes. All sorts of shapes and sizes. Do you frost them too? Or put sprinkles on them? Maybe for the holidays? Isn't that so much fun? More rolling dough out. Oh, this is gonna look so cool. Aren't you so excited? Aw, now add our texture. Lots and lots of texture. It's gonna look so awesome. What we're doing now makes it look like it was hand-stitched. Meets the front of his overalls. You know, they have pockets. So we're kind of making pockets. So cool. Aww. It looks so good. Always cut off the extras. Wow. Isn't this super neat? It's gonna look so awesome when it's all finished.